What's up, y'all? It's been a while since we opened up some packs, like fully opened up some packs. I got 4 Pikachu blister packs. Was able to snag them at the local Meijer. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a Midwest, like a grocery store, like a super center. It's like a Walmart, but Walmart's like nationwide, where Walmart is only serves like the Midwest and a little bit to the south. So yeah, without further ado, let's open up some packs. We got 4 of them today. We pulled the Pikachu, the Booty Cheeks Pikachu, and we are looking for the Latios and Latias. All right, Togepi, Hoptile, Berry, Tauros, Flapple, Rellor, Dialga, Cerulege. Oh yeah. See if I can get it focused here. And a code card for you. So pack number 1. Not bad. Sorry for the blurriness. I don't know why it's doing that. I think it's just out of focus, that's all. Alright. Charcadet, Diglett, Spheal, Capsicid, Annihilate, Jasmine's Gaze, Xerneas, Gimmighoul, Bubberberry, Tapu Lele. Code card. Third pack. Just go right through them because, you know, Simisear, Esper, Shellos, Counter Gain, Altaria, Pavilion. We got a Meryl. Nope, Excadrill, and Iron Crown. Yeah, these single packs are... Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you just kind of luck out. But finding Pokemon cards right now is... all I can say is good luck. And Vigoroth, Centiskorch, Dragon Elixir, Xerneas, Simeon, Oricori, and Clement's Quick Wit, Chanpao. Code card. And that's it. 4 packs, 1 hit. That's about the correct percentage. Until next time, peace.